Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on commutative and associative laws in addition modulo M. Now we prove commutative law in addition modulo M. Let A and B be two integers. A addition modulo M B equal to R means the least non-negative remainder are when A plus B is divided by M. This equal to the least non-negative remainder are when B plus A is divided by M. Since for integers A plus B equal to B plus A and this will be equal to B addition modulo M A. Therefore, A addition modulo M B equal to B addition modulo M A. This shows that commutative law holds for addition modulo M. Now let A is congruent to B modulo M. This means A minus B is divisible by M. Here A minus B, if we divide this by M, we get quotient Q1 and we get A minus B, that is remainder equal to 0. Therefore, A minus B equal to Q1 M implies that A equal to B plus Q1 M. This is number 2. Now, A addition modulo M C equal to, in place of A we write B plus Q1 M addition modulo MC. This is equal to the least non-negative remainder when B plus Q1M plus C is divided by M. Here we see that Q1M is divisible by M. So we may write the least non-negative remainder when B plus C is divided by M equal to B addition modulo M C. Therefore, we get that A congruent B modulo M implies that A addition modulo M C equal to B addition modulo M C. Since addition modulo M is commutative, therefore we may write theory as follow. A congruent B modulo M implies that C addition modulo M A equal to C addition modulo M B. This is number 4. Now B addition modulo M C equal to R2. Let this means that R2 be the least non-negative remainder when B plus C is divided by M. B plus C is divided by M. Let quotient equal to Q2 and remainder equal to R2. Therefore, B plus C equal to Q2M plus R2 implies that B plus C minus R2 equal to Q2M implies that B plus C congruent R2 modulo M means B plus C minus R2 is divisible by M. From the concept of congruence, we know that this equal to R2 congruent B plus C modulo M implies that R2 means B addition modulo M C congruent B plus C modulo M. This is number 5. Now we examine for associative law in addition modulo m. Now, A addition modulo m, B addition modulo m, C equal to. Here, this B addition modulo m C is congruent to B plus C modulo m. Then in place of B addition modulo m C, we may write B plus C. That is A addition modulo m B plus C. By using equation number 4 equal to the least non-negative remainder when A plus under bracket B plus C is divided by M equal to the least non-negative remainder when under bracket A plus B plus C is divided by M. Since A, B, C are integers and associative law holds for the set of integers. Here A plus under bracket B plus C equal to under bracket A plus B plus C equal to A plus B addition modulo M C. And since A plus B is congruent to A addition modulo M B, so in place of this we may write A addition modulo M B addition modulo M C. Since A addition modulo M B is congruent to A plus B modulo M, therefore we get A addition modulo M under bracket B addition modulo M C equal to under bracket A addition modulo M B addition modulo M C. Therefore, associative law holds with respect to binary composition addition modulo M. Proved. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.